Alright guys, so today we got a Wrangler. We're gonna be doing a starter on it. I already kind of started it, but haven't gone too far in. So remove the battery negative, and the starter's gonna be on this side of the engine. We're gonna get underneath there, and we already got the starter here. So this is what the starter looks like. Originally I came and they gave me the wrong starter, but this is the correct one now. So what you want to do is this one right here, this lug nut, you want to take that off and throw it away, and you want to use the original one. Reason being, see how thin that is? The original one's a little bit fatter, and you got less chances of breaking the thread on the stud. So when you're gonna take it off, you got obviously the wire that goes here, which is the positive, and the wire that plugs in here, which is the signal, which is another positive, but it's the signal so you can start the car. And then it's gonna have 2 bolts here, and they're going to be this type of Torx. Okay, I'll find out here in a second what Torx it is, and I'll let you guys know. So let me get underneath there and I'll show you guys what we're looking at. Alright guys, so this is the old starter, and as you can see, we have the plug here. It has a little clip on it that this one was really tight to get off, but it has a clip. Then it has this wire. That wire bolts onto here, and then you got the 2 bolts that are right here. So let me get that off, get this off, put the new one in. So pretty straightforward. So let me do that real quick and I'll get back to you guys in a second. Alright guys, so the new starter's in place. We got the plug, we got the wires, we got the 2 nuts right there, the 2 studs. So now it's time to put the battery back on and give it a start. Alright, so let me do that and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so the car started right up, no issues whatsoever. So job well done. The studs on the starter are going to be E12 Torx. So yeah, it's up and running again. And I for the customer. Alright guys, see ya. Like always, share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.